Hello, welcome to another Via Rosa build. Today I think we're going to go on and weld these in so I can get the seats in. I said I was going to do the exhaust, but the first nice day it is absolutely beautiful here. 20 degrees, absolutely random for Scotland to just come out with a day like that, but I think I'm just going to get this done. Wait and I'll go get the welding stuff out and disconnect the battery and get the carpet up so we don't burn it. That's me, got all my stuff ready. To do this, just going to lift up the carpet and we'll get this going.
12 seconds later.
Looks like I'm going to have to redo, take the centre console back out, undo the work I done yesterday, but saves the car going on fire. Should be all the bolts out now. Take them straight out. Then we'll get this battery disconnected. Oh, can't find the spanner, let me go find it. Hopefully there's no nasty surprises, there is not. Not been raining. That's the carpet all out, and I'm just going to clean up so I can get a nice weld, so it stops shaking about and we can get some seats back in. Aye, well, let's wish me luck, get a bash. All cleaned up, ready to be welded in. Right, well, got my mask, got my stuff, earthed up. Let's see what happens. Blew a hole right through. Glad that's on YouTube. Turn the temperature down. That's a bit close, not very good at all. They get the professionals in here, I think. Lift it up one more. It's not enough. Absolutely terrible. Right, looks like we actually got something to work here. Some melting, fusing metal. Let's go try and repair the side we've broken. Good luck. Whoa, knocked the phone off the tripod. But as you can see, that bracket's going nowhere. All it is doing is flexing. Make your own opinions, but it's solid.
No flex, zone. No flex, zone.
Yeah, it is all welded up. I didn't really want to show you it, but hey, I started it now. You have got to see it. That's what I'm left with. I'm going to have to get a flapper disc because all I've got is a file to hand and it's not happening. Let's see what happens after that. Going to get the carpet put back in, get everything all ready.
2 hours later.
I went to fit the seats back in the Arosa, well, new seats. The first ones were stinky Mark 4 Recaros. These are out a seat Ibiza Mark 4 Cupra diesel or something. Yeah, but the wheels don't seem to fit, so I'm going to have to take the other ones, take off the other one. I don't have to find them, I just need to take them off, the ones in the garage. So let's go do that, that's the next thing. And I got the interior back together if I haven't already showed you. The interior is all back in. There's seen a wee bit of wear on the black carpet there, see it? Well, the black spray painted carpet. But I knew that was going to happen, it was only a bit of fun. Brackets welded in, mind you though. Brackets all done, ready to rock and roll. Just going to try and get this wheel off this chair and get that done. And then we'll get back and see what's happening. There's a chair there, 5 minutes and we'll see what it's all about. That's us got the Mark 4 seat out. Recaro, it looks like somebody's just took like a grinder or something and just ran that one down. No, it's not. It's 2 bolts, see that? Plastic bolts. 2 plastic bolts. Gonna have to use them anyway, because it looks as though they were doing the job anyway, so it's just a thing you need to do. As again, don't throw out your old parts because you'll need them. There's the wheels on the Mark 4 there, and there's the wee plastic bolts they were using instead. I'm going to have to use the plastic bolts anyway because it looks like that's not going to fit in. So let's just get it done. It looks like it's time to get the seat ready to go in because I've not got it in yet. That's actually looking lovely. That seat in there, it's better than the Recaro. It matches the back a lot better, contrast. Carpet looks good. Just going to finish it off. Once again, need to get the wee wheels off before you do anything. The seat's in my Mark 1. There's the first glimpse of my Mark 1 if you haven't seen it. It's got PPS, it's got the ball. Lord. Right, I'm just going to get this seat out and get the wee wheels off. They're not even wheels, they're plastic things. Back in a second. Just going to get the seat back in the car right now after I get some nuts and bolts, some hardware for it, and that'll be us. Find them, close some drawers, get out of the garage. much threads holding that on, but it's on now. That's the seat all done. The seat's all done in the Rosa. Something else checked off the list. Well, that's the Rosa done. I don't even know how long this video is. Hopefully it's more than 10 minutes and that'll be it done. I've done a lot in the video. If that's a full day for me, maybe it'd be a 10-minute clip for you, but that is a full day's situation for me. I'll maybe get a wee shot of the cardigan round the street, get my partner to video it. Other than that, that's me done. All the seats are in. Seats in. Carpet done, back seats are in. Car's actually looking lovely. Well, wait, I'll do one more jobby thing. I'll put the battery back on for yous. Wait, and I'll do that. Got my ratchet, got my 10mm. Going the wrong direction with it anyway. Here we go. Hope they're not spinning in the end. This is when my one-handed techniques doesn't work. Well, that'll do it anyway. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see what happens tomorrow. Hopefully we get some other things done. Maybe have a day off from videoing, because that's been every day for me. Maybe not, no chance. Daily uploads every day, come back for more.